Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pay with Visa gift card on Pandabuy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Pandabuy app on your phone. From over here, you're gonna go to the search bar and simply search a product that you would like and search it up. Now once you get the product that you would like to purchase from over here, you're gonna simply tap on it and add to cart. Now we're gonna add it to cart. Now once it's done added to the cart, we're gonna go back, and as usual we're gonna simply be going to our cart and we're gonna find our product right over here that we would like to purchase. We're gonna choose it. We're gonna go ahead, go to the submit for us to simply purchase it. And now for us to confirm order, you can see domestic shipping, total price, a shop total. We're gonna go ahead and tap on submit right at the bottom. Once you confirm the order, you're gonna simply go ahead, go to this pay option, and as I mentioned, once you have got the correct address, you simply gotta go ahead and enter the payment details, which will be the information of your Visa gift card, just like you would if you would like to pay with a credit card. You will add information of it in the checkout. Likewise, you're gonna add, instead of your credit card, your Visa gift card information you're gonna add for the checkout, and you're gonna pay for it from the gift card amount, and that is it. So that's basically how you will be able to pay with Visa gift card on Pandabuy. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.